The person you are missing appear to be apprehensive and guarded right now. They have deep-seated trust issue that they need to confront, which could be a result of their past failed relationship. As of now, they are removing themselves from you and distancing themselves emotionally. This has been going on for some time. It's time for your companion to take a stand and determine what they want from you. And this relationship, this person energy appear too high, strong. They want to get back in touch with you. But when it's come to being honest about their feeling, they lack the courage to be open with you. This person is scared of being hurt again, so they keep their distance. However, I can tell that they are passionate for you, but they are hesitant to invest their emotion. This is draining you out, and you don't know if you should stay and wait or leave. This person talks a lot but does not take any action.